Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Zenithobor. Thank you so much for supporting me. Please don't stop, keep supporting me and keep liking. Follow me on my Instagram at FitNewMeBunch to see my lovely pictures and all that. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can lose weight if you've been trying to lose weight and you've tried all kind of things and you're still not losing weight. The fat is stubborn and all that. So I've done this kind of video before where I got a lot of views, lot of comments, positive comments, and a lot of people got results. And yeah, so but the only difference here is that there's this ingredient I'm going to use that I didn't use in the previous video, and this one is even the baddest. So you think you've lost weight with that recipe, this one is the main. So it's going to make you lose weight before Christmas and after Christmas. So yes, so as for me, I'm going to use this after Christmas. So I'm not going to watch what I eat, or I'm not going to stick to portion during Christmas holiday. I'm just going to eat, I'm going to enjoy myself, I'm going to eat late night and all that. But after that, I'm going to use this to wash off those things off my system. So it's extreme weight loss smoothie I'm going to show you. So I've got the ingredients here. So I've got pineapple, cucumber, and this is lemon, and I've got ginger, I've got black pepper, I've got turmeric, and cayenne pepper, and apple cider vinegar and water. So I'm going to combine all this together to get a smoothie. So it's extreme pineapple, extreme weight loss smoothie. So 4 weeks, because I think it's 4 to 5 weeks to Christmas now. So you are going to replace this for a breakfast, stuff like that, and your dinner. So you're going to be eating like once a day. So please try to eat less carb and more protein, and just include 15 to 20 minute workouts if you're a fan of workout. But if you're not, that's fine. So you drink this in the morning on an empty stomach, and during lunch you don't need to drink this. Just eat less carb, more protein in portion. Then before going to bed, you can have another glass. So before Christmas, that stubborn fat is going to melt off. And after Christmas as well, the stubborn fat, as a result of us eating lot and lot of junks and all that, so it's going to wash it off. So yeah, I'm going to put all these things together now and blend them. So just watch me as I put them. Smoothie is ready. It smells so nice. It's creamy, it's tasty, it's packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals, and this will help you lose burn fat. It will help you speed up your metabolism. It will help you burn calories very fast. So just 1 glass of this in the morning on an empty stomach instead of a breakfast. Just have this as a breakfast. Replace this for your breakfast. Then your lunch, just as I said before, just have a little bit of food, less carb, more protein, and 1 glass again before you go to bed, like your dinner. Instead of your dinner, you have this for your dinner. And if you feel hungry in between, you can just snacks on healthy or snacks, get a lot of fruits and vegetables, drink a lot of water, and you'll be weighing a lot, going to toilets, and that means it's working. So make sure before you embark on this, just check if you're allergic to all these things that I've used. But if you're allergic to it, please don't use it. But if you're not, you can do it. So it worked for me and it will work for you. So as I said before, I've done this video before. The only thing is this that I didn't use, this cayenne pepper. Yeah, so it will help you burn waste as twice as any other thing. So if you don't have cayenne pepper, you can use black pepper. You can use black pepper in place of cayenne pepper, but I will advise for you to get this. But if you cannot get it, that you've tried to get it but you didn't get it, you can use black pepper, so it can help the turmeric to work properly. So yeah, this is what you need for extremely weight loss after Christmas and before Christmas. Try it and you like it. It's very sweet. I'm going to try it now. This is my dinner. It's very nice. So thank you so much for watching the video, and if you want more of this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know. Follow me on my Instagram and comment on the comment section, and stay blessed and watch my other videos and all that. So thank you very much, and I love you guys, and bye for now.